In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Welcome back to my channel, Basic Learning with SS. Hope all are fine and doing pretty good. In this video, I am going to discuss the form and function of present perfect continuous tense. But before starting, I will request you to please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified about upcoming videos. This is the fourth and last aspect of present tense. In this tense, we use has been, have been as a helping verb with first form of verb and ing. To indicate time in this tense, we use for and since. For is used with a period of time or with estimated time. For example, for 5 months, for 1 hour, for 2 days, for 1 week. And since is used with the point of time or with specified time. The time is exact. For example, since morning, since 1982, since Friday, and many more. He, she, it or singular noun go with has been and first form of verb with ing. For example, she has been working for 10 years. The negative sentence is she has not been working for 10 years. The interrogative sentence is has she been working for 10 years? I, we, they, you go with have been and first form of verb and ing. For example, they have been building the bridge for several months. The negative sentence is they have not been building the bridge for several months. The interrogative sentence is have they been building the bridge for several months? Now, come to the function of this tense. We use present perfect continuous tense to discuss an action which began in the past and still going on. For example, we have been working on this project for 5 months. Means prior 5 months we started working on this project and still we are working on this project. Another example is I have been uploading the videos on YouTube for 5 months. We also use this tense to discuss an action that is already finished. Suppose I work in an office and I get late and they ask me why are you late, and I reply that I have been finding space for parking. The action is finished, but in such cases the continuity of the activity is emphasized as an explanation. Come to the second example. If someone's clothes are wet and he's asked, why are your clothes so wet? He replied, I have been watering the garden. So the action is completed, but the continuity is emphasized for an explanation. I hope you like the video, and if you have any query, do comment below. Thank you. Stay tuned.